What happens when you have a tiny trailer or any kind of RV and you need to find a rest stop, but you're in a city? This is constantly a problem for us, and this is usually how we deal with it. We stop wherever we can find a parking spot. Finding rest stops and places to park, rest, stretch, use the bathroom, sometimes even shower, can often be easy if you're traveling cross country through places that do have larger stops for trucks, lorries, RVs alike. And of course, with that, you will easily find a spot for your travel trailer. However, a lot of the cities, certainly where we are on the West Coast, have rest stops labeled on apps like RV Parky and the like. Yet when you drive up to them, they will be this inevitable sign that says, rest stop closed. And I don't know about you, but for us, we've been driving for so many hours. The little person in the back is just dying to stretch her legs. We are dying to get a break from the freeway. And signs like that are terribly deflating. So, a few tips. You can still come off the freeway when you have a sign that has a petrol or gas station sign. You can definitely find a place to pull up. Areas that have large shopping areas like Walmart or Costco, they sometimes fill up with cars during heavy shopping times, especially Costco, but places like Walmart and other supermarkets will usually have larger spots where you can pull in your trailer through 2 or 3 stops. And don't stay there for too long, but it will definitely give you a space and time to stretch your legs. You'll be able to refill on gas or petrol if you need to. So when you are doing this, also, you want to time your travel to avoid peak shopping times. If it's like the rush hour, during the city time, it's like between 5 and 8. You want to, if you can, time your driving so that you're not through a very congested town or city by the time you will need to stop and stretch, because everyone's likely to be coming off work, everyone's doing their evening shop, and you are going to be struggling to find an area to be able to pull through or take up just to get out and stretch. Look up all the official rest stops on your way. As I said before, there are so many that are closing or are closed. They might just be closed temporarily for refurbishment, or, they just randomly decided it wasn't worth their upkeep, which I know a few cross-country truckers who have been complaining about this very same thing. It's really tragic and really hard to do those long distance travels when you are not given a permitted a chance to rest. But sometimes you can find and plan your spots. So this brings us to my point of, be sure to mark the stops between scheduled stops. So if you have planned your route and you're going to stop at rest stop A on the freeway at let's say 9:18 in the morning, and then you are going to expect to stop perhaps at 11:45 at stop B, make sure you have some stops kind of in between there as backups in case there is a problem with your scheduled stop. That could be works on the freeway, on-ramp or off-ramp closures. The rest stop itself, although it says open online, might actually indeed be closed. The rest stop might actually be full. It might be filled with truckers or other RVs, and there is literally no space to stop, and it's not long enough to double park safely. it just blocks people from getting out. You just need to always have that backup plan when you are traveling for a very long time. And, if all else fails, find a gas station. A gas station has the space for you to pull up and fill up with gas or petrol, and you can fill up, you can stretch your legs, and usually there will be some spot, even if it's just residential, where you can pull up and have a quick little jog or run or stretch or a little bit of yoga. And if you do not have your own portaloo or porta potty in your RV, and if you're very, very, very brave, you can use the toilets at the gas station. Catch. Let's see how many glares we get. We're taking up, I think, 5 parking bays. I tell you what, these places are perfectly set up for cars. They are not set up for trailers. So really there's no other way to park. Yet it's supposed to be the rest stop area. Gonna enjoy my Satsuma. Pizza! What you got?
Cookies.
What are Wookiees?
Banana chips.
Can we have a close-up on those? Ooh, they look like little faces.
Mm-hmm.
Good stuff.
No matter what side you look at them.
Wow.
They look like Wookiee faces.
Wookiee faces.